Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the topic carbon nanotube. I will give its introduction, its type and then properties and applications. Carbon nanotube is the most important material at present time. Before 1991, only two allotropes of carbon were known, namely diamond and graphite. And later 1991, Japanese physicist Sumail Nizami discovered another allotrope form of carbon called carbon nanotube. When roll of 2D graphite heat into a cylindrical tube, we got carbon nanotube. Means we have two-dimensional graphite sheet and we fold it in a way that it become in a cylinder way. Then we will get carbon nanotube. The diameter is about 1 to 3 nanometer and have length few micrometer. Carbon nanotube exhibit extraordinary mechanical properties. They are lightweight, hard as that of diamond. Carbon nanotube density is 1 by 4 times less than steel, but they are 10 times stronger than steel. Their thermal capacity is 20 times more than steel. Means they are more stable with high temperature. If we give a temperature to steel, at that temperature when it become means their thermal capacity and where their 20% more it can absorb. In carbon nanotube, each carbon atom is bonded to three other carbon atoms through covalent bond to form a lattice in the shape of hexagon. Here there are three atoms which are in covalent bond, but one atom is in free, means one electron is free in there, and due to this it has more free ions and it become reactive in some way. Single wall carbon nanotube diameter is 2 nanometer and length is 2 micrometer. Its examples are there given as you can see that. You can see here armchair. It is just like when a man is sitting on a chair, so we called it armchair. Multi-wall carbon nanotube consists of several nested coaxial single wall carbon nanotube. Example Cheryl, MWCNT, etc. वगैरह. Its diameter is 1 to 3 nanometer, length is 5 to 6 micrometer. So the properties of carbon nanotube: tensile strength of carbon nanotube about 200 gigapascal, and therefore carbon nanotube can be stretched 20% to their rest length. Carbon nanotube are good conductors of heat. They have very high thermal capacity to thermal expansion produced in carbon nanotube is very small. Carbon nanotube have good electrical conductivity. Why they have good electrical conductivity? Because the three electrons are in covalently bonded, and the other electron which is free, which made them more highly reactive. Carbon nanotube have very few defects, so they can carry billions ampere of current per centimeter square. They have more defects in their atoms. Carbon nanotube are very strong. Young modulus is about 1 terapascal, which makes carbon nanotube to 10 times more stronger than steel. They are resistant to corrosion. It is their big property, because if there is no impact of corrosion on the carbon nanotube, we can use it for large time. Applications: carbon nanotube are used to make bulletproof jackets. Carbon nanotube can reduce the weight of aircraft and spacecraft up to 30%. First, they are lighter weight, and we have already discussed that they are 20 times more can absorb heat, so we can use it in the spacecrafts. Carbon nanotube can be used to high performance nanoscale tin film transistors to replace silicon based transistor because of semiconducting properties of socket. Thanks. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe the channel if you like the video. Soon I will share topic of presentations on very different topics. You will learn it and you will enjoy it. Thank you.